all the abilities and capacities that what we have, we start manufacturing more than 100,000 cars.
I would assume a year and a half or a little bit even more than that was spent and invested in customizing this car.
It took us so much days and nights working, sweating, vision to start looking, designing, 3D, building up, technical, mechanical, beauty, customizing, leather, interior, stitching, every single small details that we thought about and we dream of.
Everything was changed, from the engine to the gearbox, to the lower arms, to the steering, to the interior, to the paint of the car.
And that's where we challenge ourselves to make it today as it is today.
The wheels by itself was custom designed by us at Auto Millennium Group and was sent to the UK for fabrication. We have removed the L24 engine from this vehicle and replaced it with a Skyline JT engine. We wanted to be a little bit more creative, and for that reason we involved our airbrush artists to custom make a special painting about a samurai. And without Auto Millennium, this project would have been almost impossible.